Hi guys, and welcome to my newest video. So right now I am in Gorzow Wielkopolski here in Poland, and I will be showing you guys some of the best things to see around here, but I'll be moving in between those places using a bike. So now we're at our first stop, which is Gorzow Wlkp. So in English, Lake Gorzow. So you can do a lot of cool things here, like go a water bike across the lake, do some wakeboarding, swimming, and also if you want something to eat, there's a brilliant restaurant. So now I'm at the Gorzow Festival. So in English, good evening Gorzow Festival. And really, it is amazing. The music is great, and to make things better, I've got some brilliant pizza right from here. So now it's time to go and show you some other things and carry on with the adventure. So now I wanted to show you guys the cathedral here in Gorzow, and really it's a really big cathedral, and inside it's also a really nice cathedral. So all in all, a great place to visit. Now I wanted to show another one of the great places to visit here in Gorzow, and this one is the Wlkp River. And let me just say this once, this is a really, really, really big river. In my opinion, this place, which I'm going to show you now, is probably the most beautiful place in all of Gorzow because of the beautiful views. So this is a viewpoint placed at a very high place in Gorzow, and from here you can see the cathedral, literally everything. So really, if you do come here, you need to visit this place. So this is the end of my video. So thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. But there's one more thing which I just wanted to say. Even though I've showed you guys some really cool things around here in Gorzow, there are still many more fantastic places here. So I really do recommend to visit. So see you later. Bye.